You guys could a little bit.
There's like, you're literally touching.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We've got another Universal Yums box. If you didn't see, what are you doing? You want to display it? Always doing something. If you didn't see last month, we did Italy was our first box, but this box is from Germany, and this is a small snack box, so it's 16 bucks a month if you're interested. But I think they're really, really fun because you can try out snacks from places you've never tried from. Italy was definitely mixed bag. I think I liked more than he did, but I enjoyed a lot of it. You're bound to get some stuff you're not gonna love, but I liked it. And we've actually tried some German chocolates when your sister was there, and I loved, do you remember the little hippos?
Those were good, yeah.
Those are my favorite. So let's go ahead and see what we got. That's the sticker, little info cards and such as that.
Ketchup again?
Yeah, so last month we got a ketchup chip. Let's see, I'm gonna turn to the
Page
things.
394.
We'll start with the ketchup. Last time I didn't really love the ketchup chips, but they did taste like ketchup. So these are Pommes ketchup. It says ketchup potato sticks. It's a German snack for anyone who loves fries. Okay, we like fries. That's what that one looks like. Ooh, these taste a little bit better. What? What'd you say?
I said they smell like ketchup.
They smell better than the last ones to me. These are like veggie straws. You don't like them?
I feel like I just opened up a bottle of Heinz and just squirted it in my mouth.
No, these are better than the ketchup chips to me. They taste slightly, like ever so slightly like barbecue. But they're like veggie straw texture. You want another one?
No, I'm good. Yeah, they are like veggie straw texture.
So these are Zweibels. Well, how do you pronounce that?
Bless you.
So here is that snack. These are spring onion rings. Move over Funyuns, Germany does it better. Do you like Funyuns?
Nah.
They're not really my thing, but I think you'll probably like these. They taste a little bit like sour cream and onion, but more
onion.
Onion, obviously. Do you like them?
No.
Why are you here if you hate everything?
We've tried 2 things, and that's everything.
They're okay. Like, I could eat them, but they're not my favorite. I prefer the ketchup ones. This is the dark chocolate covered marzipan bar. I don't actually know what marzipan is. That's what she looks like.
It's a panda from Mars.
Is it focusing?
Then.
Bitch. Sugar, almonds, unsweetened chocolate, cocoa butter. I was just curious, like, what's in it?
Cocoa butter.
Cocoa butter. This looks like dark chocolate. It's like a little... It's pretty good.
There you go.
You don't like that either?
I'm not a big fan of it. It's not bad. Just
Kind of like when you get a chocolate box that's not that great, a heart-shaped box of chocolates, but then it's the one that is pretty good. It's like coconutty. It also has a hint of like cherry. I don't see that on the ingredients, so I don't know where I'm getting that from. Oh, it's probably the almonds, the almond flavor in it. But it's pretty good. So you don't like anything so far?
it's okay.
Let's go for this one. This is the Sunrise Crunchy Chocolate Puffed Rice Krispies. What is it?
Sunrise.
Sunrise. Get your face out of here. So there's that one. Germany's way creamier take on Crunch Bars. I like a Crunch Bar. That's not bad. I'm gonna film these by myself from now on.
Next one.
This is definitely not bad. Did you even taste it?
Yeah.
What does it taste like?
Disgustingness. Maybe it's the rice. It's like it's not good. I love rice.
No, it's puffed rice. It's kind of like buttery.
Uh-huh.
You're gonna say because I love butter?
Yeah, that too.
I need somebody else to film these with me.
We got a couple other things.
Whatever. This is, he ain't gonna like this either. This is the Strawberry Rhubarb. It's by Choco Monk. Choco Monk. A fruitful take on white chocolate. Strawberry rhubarb. I don't know what rhubarb is.
Isn't that a veggie?
I mean, well, yeah, it's a plant, but I don't know, like...
Rhubarb pie. What's in that?
Rhubarb is... Oh, this smells good. This smells like something I've had before.
That's good.
I feel like I'm eating a candle.
It's quite delicious.
It tastes like the smell of strawberry pound cake candle.
Well, they are going for a food flavor. Mm-hmm. Ooh.
It's a little zingy.
Yeah. It's a strawberry. Little chunks I think it has in there.
Or tart.
Oh, yes.
So you like that one thing.
Yes. Probably
Okay.
that's it.
We've got one more thing left, and this looks pretty good. This is the almond cinnamon cream-filled wafers. These look like those sugar wafers that you can get. They're literally like $1, but somehow are still delicious. Almond cinnamon.
Mm-hmm. Two good flavors.
It says it's inspired by Wintertime Berlin. Is that meant to say wintertime in Berlin? Well, right? Cheers.
Yes.
The cinnamon toast crunch. Okay, which one's your favorite between the two that you liked?
The strawberry one.
Really? Mm-hmm. It's the only one I didn't like. Mm-hmm. My favorite's between the sunrise bar, which I don't know why you don't like, and the ketchup chips. The ketchup potato sticks.
I wonder why.
Anyway, I think I'm going to change the subscription in his card.
Won't stop me from not liking stuff.
Anyway, so I hope you guys enjoyed our little taste test unboxing. You can have these two sweets. I'll keep my rice bar. Mm-hmm. Rude. Okay, well thank you guys so much for hanging with us. Now what should they do?
Shit,
Not shit. Only if you have to.
Hey, my God, watching this. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you aren't already. And if you are, thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Anything else?
Share with your friends and your family.
Did you say comment?
Like, comment, subscribe. Yes.
Okay. Okay, and turn on notifications.
Please turn on notifications if they're not already on. If they are not on, or you do not know, please go check.
And let me know in the comments too if you really want to try any of these stacks. Like, what sounds the best to you? Did I say stack?
Yes.
Yeah, snacks. Okay. Thank you guys again, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.